Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my 5 favorite drugstore mascaras. I am a mascara junkie, and so I figured it was only right for me to share my favorite affordable ones. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to go in the order of when I discovered these mascaras. So first up is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. I have had this one for the longest time. This was one of my very first holy grail mascaras. I used it for years and years and years. I absolutely love it. The wand has a ton of bristles, which I just found this mascara to be so perfect. When I was learning to do my makeup, it really separates your lashes and adds some volume. And I think this retails for around $8.99. I absolutely love this one. I will say that I tried this one that had the fiber, it was like the voluminous fiber lashes or something like that, and I hated it. I did not like that one at all. It's similar packaging to this one, but this one I really love. Looking at my mascaras, actually 3 of the 5 are from L'Oreal. Apparently I just love the way that they do mascara. So number 2 is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This is one of my absolute holy grail mascaras. This adds so much to your lashes. One of the things that I love to do is take that first mascara and layer this one on top of it. So I'll use these two. This one really separates and lengthens, and then this one adds insane volume. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. I love to use 2 mascaras. I don't know why, but I always have. So these 2 together are just like a match made in heaven. The 3rd mascara is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I don't want to open it. I can take it out of the packaging, but I just didn't want to open it because I have too many mascaras open right now. And I don't want this one to dry out because this one dries out very quickly. But this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This one got so much hype last year because it is so good. So this one I don't use another mascara with. I'll just do a couple of coats of this one. But it does have an hourglass shaped wand, and it is actually very comparable to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's been talked about as being a dupe for that, and I agree. I love the color packaging. It's just really pretty, and this is an amazing mascara if you haven't tried it out. All right, now that I have been raving about L'Oreal mascaras, let's move on to another brand. This one is from Essence. It's the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. They have these in a bunch of different colored packaging. This is the pink, or this is the purple, obviously. They have green, like a minty green. I think they have a blue, maybe a pink, and they all supposedly do different things. This one has a curved wand, and I just think it does a really good job of kind of separating and keeping a curl in your lashes, and is definitely very volumizing. When I bought these from Ulta, it was like buy one, get one 50% off. I'll link them down below. All of the mascaras that I mentioned today, in case you're looking for them, will be down below in the bottom bar. But this one was buy one, get one 50% off, so I took a chance and bought 2, and I am on my 2nd tube already. And the last but not least mascara, this is the newest one to me. It is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is actually the first mascara from NYX that I've ever tried. And the packaging actually reminded me a bit of the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang because the colors are very similar. And I actually did a full video on this one, which I will link up here and also down below in the bottom bar. But this one has a very kind of like standard wand, and I was actually not very excited about trying it because I was worried that it wouldn't live up to the name, just because if you name it Worth the Hype, is it ever going to be worth the hype? I don't know. But I do really love this. This is what I have on my lashes today. I think it adds so much volume, keeps the curl, separates, lengthens. I just think that this is so good, especially for the price. So these are my 5 favorite drugstore mascaras. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite mascara is, whether it's high-end or from the drugstore. I love trying out mascaras. So leave a comment down below and let me know your favorite. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.